What's going on, guys? Chillin'. This is me, Activate Fashion. Today I'm gonna be unboxing something that came directly from Victoria's Secret, and if you don't believe me, here it is. All right, just so you know, address is classified. Full video on page. This is called glitter shine strap lace garter belt. Garter belt. I don't even know what's the point of this. All right, let's do this. Garter belt. If you already clicked this video, definitely want to press the follow, like, and subscribe. No way, they give me a HelloFresh advertise inside Victoria's Secret? What? That's not even Target-based advertise. No smell. Ooh, plastic. Oh, alright. Original receipts, classified information, cannot tell you. This thing is on clearance. I think what happened is people are not really buying this so much, so I got lucky. Alright, and I got the best color for you, boys and girls. If you want to purchase this from me, you can DM me, and you can also email me, or you can also message me directly, however you want, you know? Check the description below. What is this now? HelloFresh, one more time. I don't get it how that works, but okay. Ooh, here it is. I have reviewed Bombshell. I have reviewed so many shine straps. I did not review the bra, you know. I reviewed so many other products, mostly a lot of technology product on my motivation channels. On fashion channels, I have reviewed so many stuff. Bombshell perfume, Bombshell seductions. There's so many reviews I've done. This is the first time. Today is this one. Well, all right. So, very plasticky smell. Okay, so how does this thing work? Here it is. Garter belt. What? I think it's supposed to be what, word on the waist or something. That's it. So that's what it is. This is the rhinestone, right? The rhinestone is cool, surprisingly. It's a very good quality. Okay, so here's the thing. Original tag. Here it is. Boom, boom, boom. And you see a whole bunch of lace. This thing connected with the lace, and it just hangs in. This is a belt, and then here it is. So boom, 50 shades of gray right there. All right, so I guess it's gonna be supposed to be like, I don't know, I think something around here, but I don't see the point of why girls wear this thing. I don't. Okay, here it is. So it goes like this. Yeah, but what's the point? I don't get it. So if she's wearing a bra and if she's wearing a thong, she's wearing like one like this. Here it is. So if I'm like this, or if she's like this, what, this is hanging. If instead of that, you can just wear like a belt, like a regular belt, or like one of those like a dark leather suits or something. Still the same thing. This, now I understand why this is on clearance. Yeah, I don't know what's up. So all right, so this is what it is. And okay, I think you're supposed to open it, and I think there's some sort of like, just this side is flexible. It's just like a bra. Oh, okay, I see how it is now. All right, so it's gonna be like this. Boom, now we're talking. All right, so here it is. So what, like this, and then like that? What? So like, how does it feel? I don't get it. Like, how does him makes you feel, and how do you feel? And if you do wear it, and if you wear, well, it had to be like exposed. Like, you cannot be, I think it's, people are gonna find out if you're wearing this inside. So maybe on the tummy you can put it. If your tummy is open, maybe you can wear it. But then if you're wearing jeans, you're gonna look kind of odd, because, well, I don't know if you can fit it in with jeans, because if you wear a jean and you wear that and it's just hanging the belt like this thing could scrape you. So I don't know. I think this is only for like late night thing or something, belt type of stuff, or late night fantasy, something like that. But anyway, this is it for today. That was a quick little 5 minutes review. Same video is gonna be on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. There's so many edits need to be done. I didn't even finish it, so I'll try my best to post it up there. This is Fashion Channel one more time. If you want to purchase this from me, DM me, ask me for the price. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.